pretty, but coming from that pretty mouth, the truth is fitting. Cause you ain't never talking loud and you know plenty. You know what I'm talking about.
Hey bosses and bossettes, how you guys doing? How have you been doing? I have missed you. Although I wasn't gone for that long. But anyways, today I have a really awesome new video for you guys. And I promise I won't be yapping that much. I won't yap a lot today. So I just want to take you through the process of us. I have all my tools here, guys. It's a mess. It's a mess right now. And I just made sure I'm in the right mood. Like I'm psyched up. I got my breakfast in. And we're ready for this. We're ready for this. It might take long hours, but we have to nail it. Anyway, pray for me. Pray for me so that I don't spoil it. But anyways, I'm going to follow the steps that I saw some other lady do with a frontal. And I don't think this one has like a lot of stress. Does it? No, I don't think so. Anyway, I undid my braids yesterday. This is how the braids were. They served me for some months, and yeah, my hairline was like, cut it, cut it, cut it, get me out. Yeah, you know. And it was about time. It was about time. So I have everything here. You see me looking at everything. Well, it's literally everything. It's just that I can't like flip the camera to you. And I have my mirror, so I'll be looking at my mirror. And I promise, and I keep on saying this, but I don't want to yap that much on this video because I don't want it to be also too long. And some warm tea. I think I'm gonna do some contours, then we'll see how everything goes. Okay. I'm so excited. I'm so excited. I'm so excited. Anyway, so my Sunday today, I really have nothing going on. And guys, don't get shocked once you see what's. Don't get shocked once you see what's under this. Because I did my hair yesterday. That's your girl. That's your girl. That's me anyway. You guys, you have to get used to like just seeing me and knowing me. This is how I am with my matuta. Let's undo this real quick. My hair, the volume has really increased. Oh my god. Oh my goodness. The volume. Oh my god. Is this my hair? Is this my hair? Oh. Oh my god. Are you seeing that bush? Are you seeing it? Are you seeing it? Yeah, let's do some converse together. Guys, don't be fooled. It's not as easy as it looks. We just come clean. But anyways, we just want converse for the wig, you know, nothing fancy, nothing would be too neat. So you see how it turned out. Yeah, isn't she beautiful? Okay, from this point I don't really know what process or sequence to follow, but you know what, we're gonna make it work. We're gonna make it work. Guys, I was looking at myself here and I was like, should I shave? Would that look cute? But no. Anyway, let's get to the better part, guys. Let's get to the better part. And you know what, we're learning this together. I think I'll keep on mentioning that. So if you're a professional outside there and you're looking at me install this wrongly, just know a girl is learning. Just comment down below if I'm doing a good job or there's something I missed. But yeah, I really had a hard time cutting this. If you see me laughing, I was just anxious that I would like spoil the wig, you know. And I wasn't quite sure whether I should put the glue before or after. Actually, let's just flow with it, you know. Let's just flow with it. Trust me, the outcome is real good. Anyways, let me tell you a little thing as we keep on watching. Girl, I'm beautiful. Are you seeing that? Seeing that? These are the things that you need to learn when you come abroad, like, because you're not gonna be spending money, just throw away your money to get 4 cornrows on you. And also learn how to install your wigs, because why waste money and have someone do it for you while you can save that money and do it for yourself. So basically just learn. I think I cut my hairline right there, but yeah, we're making it work. That gave me a hard time. I feel like I cut a huge piece, but you know, we'll make it work. If there's any step that I've skipped, please comment down below. And guys, please subscribe. Please subscribe and share my videos. Please kindly subscribe. Oh, I feel like I'm going too fast. So I put in a darker shade of concealer so that it just matches with my skin color or skin tone, and added some glue for it to like stick in, because you don't want your lace to be in everyone's eyes, you know. Anyway, the next thing is the melting spray or melting lace. I don't know. I've used it like twice since I got it and it's been an year, still new. Anyway, we're sticking it in. There we go. Let's take our baby hairs. Since it doesn't have some baby hair, we have to, you know, do it ourselves. And honestly, I was just happy at this point. I feel like as I kept on going on, I was getting very happy with the outcome. Anyway, you know what? I don't want to spoil everything. Just keep watching. And that's the outcome. I feel like I didn't put enough moss, but it really looks nice. It's a new look for me. I really love it. And that's you, girl. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please comment down below if you think it looks cute. If I missed anything, please comment something. Don't just leave like that. Anyway, bye.
Just like a motor, my heart speed and me cut out.